y'all, let's get right into this video. So OMGHerHair sent me this wig to review for you guys. This is actually my first time working with them, and honestly y'all, I was absolutely blown away. So this is their Kinky straight 360 lace wig. You are able to pull this up in a high ponytail if you wanted to, but what stood out the most with this wig is the pre-plucked hairline. It was absolutely perfect, y'all. So I'm gonna go in and blow dry this hair straight. I am using my Dyson blow dryer and my paddle brush to do this, which I will link down below. I got this brush from Ulta and it has little plates on it that are supposed to help with smoothing the hair, like it reacts to heat, to get a better blow dry. So I'll put that link down below for you guys. So this is the outcome of the hair after I blow dried it, which I loved. And by the way, y'all, this hair was so freaking soft. The lace was actually really soft as well. The whole unit was soft. I'm just gonna put it that way. So going into what I always do, just using my wax stick, gonna go in with my hot comb. I do this every single time and getting this nice and flat and super straight. I will end up flat ironing it as well. I also want to point out the knots on this unit weren't like crazy visible like it is in like some units that I have or see or come across. I could have definitely skipped bleaching the knots, which I over processed by accident, as you can see. So if you're not good with bleaching knots or don't want to or anything like that, don't have the time, you will be good with this unit. So using my same brush and then using my Baby Bliss flat iron, I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron this hair straight. I didn't take super small sections because it didn't need it, and I didn't want the unit to come out like a bone straight either. I still wanted to keep that texture in there and not compromise the integrity of it. So this is how it came out, y'all. I fell in love once I saw this little side right here. I have not, it's been a minute since I've come across a kinky unit like this that I thought was to die for. It shines so beautifully, like the luster, the texture, it was just perfect. So this is nothing new, you guys. Just gonna pop this on my head and use my hard head spray as my adhesive. I'm just gonna cut 4 slits to make it easier to apply, use my blow dryer, and you know, y'all know the routine. I do this every single video. Okay, so my favorite part of doing this unit, because y'all, I'm over here eating because I was hungry, but I was super excited to do my little edges on this unit because the plucking on this one was just so flawless. It was so perfect. It just like my edges turned out really well. I didn't want them to be like too overdone, too exaggerated. I just really wanted this unit to look like, you know, if you're natural, you just got a blowout, or you know, you just got your hair straightened, more so than a blowout, but you got your hair straightened. And I want to keep it very easy and simple. So I'm using my Holy Grail Design Essentials foam. You have to be careful with this foam, and you kind of have to work a little bit quickly because it will end up lifting up your lace because it's wet, and we only used hairspray. We didn't use, you know, a harder or a stronger adhesive. So I'm sure if you're using glue, you won't have a problem, but just remember, if you're new to this, then just work a little bit faster when you're doing your edges if you used hairspray, because it will lift up. So just gonna do my edges here. And you guys, a little tip is I constantly rotate my brush. So I use the comb and I use the brush to lay them. And to me, that just gives the most flawless finish. Like, it gives the most natural finish. It separates the hairs a little bit better as well. So this is how it ended up turning out, which I absolutely loved. I thought I did a great job. Gonna give myself a little pat on the back. And then from here, I'm just gonna lay it down for just a few minutes while I pop some makeup on with my little black strips that I use. I get these off of Amazon. It will all be linked in my Amazon store if you're ever curious about what I use. And then I'm just gonna blow dry my hair down. So this is how we are looking after I put on a little makeup, you know, look a little, you know, alive and decent and ready to take on the world. This is how the hair is looking as well. Now y'all, I would just have finished it right here, but for the sake of this video, because I really wanted to show you guys everything this wig could do, and I also just wanted to see for myself, I went on ahead and took my flat iron. This is a different Baby Bliss. A flat iron like this is just really easy to add curls in, because you literally just wrap it around and then just pull the flat iron down like I'm doing right here. So super simple. I did take off a little bit of the ends throughout the entire wig because I just think it gives it a much neater look, a much neater appearance. I never did this, y'all, until this year. I don't know what clicked, but I just like the it just looks cleaner to me. I don't know how to explain it, but I've been doing this with all my wigs lately, and I'm loving it because it actually holds the curl and just, you know, makes the curl look nicer as well. So you are able to wear this unit without adding any adhesive as well. This is a completely glueless 360 wig. So it does of course have your adjustable strap, but it also comes with your elastic band. So you could just pop this on and go, not have to do, you know, all the hairspray and stuff if you don't want to. And I am wearing a size large, and this length is 22 inches. Which is perfect. Now I didn't add any more layers to this, but I thought it would be really pretty to really get in there and add some layers, which I'll probably do at a later date. But you know, just wanted to show you guys this unit as is right now without doing too much like I always do. And that is pretty much it for this. So a great job, OMG Her Hair, y'all. I'm in love. I am absolutely in love with this unit. I can't wait to see how it holds up as well, because I will be wearing this non-stop. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, put them down below. All the information on this unit will be down below too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.